Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Restore Hub. In this video, I will show you how you can remove iPhone lock to owner. Right now, as you can see, this iPhone lock to owner, and this is iPhone 13, and right now it's stuck on this screen and it's update on latest iOS 27 beta 1. Okay, you can see a person screen right now, this iPhone, and after swipe up you can see appears on screen, it's showing iPhone lock to the owner. So in this video I will show you how you can remove this step by step. So let's start video without wasting any time. First of all, you need to swipe up and select your language. Right now my English language. Now you need to scroll down and find your country and region. My country right now is United States. Okay, select your country, tap on next, wait for a few seconds, and you can see setup without any other device. Okay, now in this section you need to connect your iPhone to strong Wi-Fi. You can see right now, connect Wi-Fi. You can see iPhone activating and it will take some moments. You need to wait for it. Okay, you can see appears on screen iPhone lock to owner. This iPhone was lost and erased. Okay, activation lock prevented anyone who is not the owner from using this iPhone. Okay, you can see appears on screen there are two options right now to remove the iCloud. First you need to enter your iCloud and password, and the second option unlock with passcode. If you remember this iPhone passcode, you can use the device passcode and then remove the iCloud. But in my case right now there is no password. So first of all, enter any random iCloud ID right now. Okay, enter passcode. Sorry, enter password. Tap on next. Okay, you can see appears on screen your Apple account and password is incorrect. So just click the back, again back, and you can see right now this iPhone connected with Wi-Fi. Just press and hold the power button. Okay, you can see Wi-Fi settings. Tap on Wi-Fi settings. Okay, tap on this eye icon. Okay, now scroll down, and as you can see right now is showing DNS. Tap on this and select manual, add server, and enter 169.164.2256.64. Tap on add server again and enter 188.164.99.347.78. Now again tap on add server 167.334.78.00678. Press save. Okay, then you need to tap on proxy. Okay, tap on automatic, enter http dot iCloud unlock .com. Okay, tap on save. Now go back, tap on continue. Wait for a few seconds. Okay, you can see it's asking again for Apple ID passcode. Just go back again, and in that section you need to press volume up button, press volume down button, and press the power button until you see the Apple logo appears on your iPhone screen. Cancel it. Okay, again press volume up button, press volume down button, and now you need to restart your iPhone. Again turn on. Wait for a few minutes. Okay, now swipe up again, select again language, country and region, tap on continue, setup, and wait for a few seconds. It will take some time. You can see right now, tap on continued. Okay, setup letter, don't use passcode right now. Okay, setup letter in setting, don't use right now. Tap on agree, tap on continued, setup not now, setup letter, tap on OK. Again setup letter, continued, don't share, continued, setup letter, get started, and right now you can see iPhone iCloud removed successfully, and right now there is no Apple ID in iPhone right now. So guys, thanks for watching.